Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to analyze stocks using the Stocktwits app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Stocktwits app, then go to the Discover section, and here you can find and analyze stocks. Now let's go and go to Tesla's page, and here you can analyze the Tesla stock. Obviously, you can see you can set it to about, where you can read some information about the stock that you are looking for. On the top of the screen, obviously, you see the current price and the price changes in the last period. If you tap on feed, you can see the stats regarding this stock, and you can change the time period from 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and you can set it also to all, obviously. And if you scroll down at the feed section, you will see the feed of all the people that are talking about Tesla, which is a great feature and I really like it. Here you can see every single post that have tagged Tesla in them, so everybody is bullish, as you can see. You can also set it to fundamental, where you can see some information about the stock, as the current price, pre-close, open, dividend yield, which is none in the case of Tesla, 50-day moving average, beta, average volume, 52-week high. So yeah, a lot of important informations, and obviously you can set it to news to see what Tesla has been doing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.